as sea levels rise and chaos surrounds us. We invite you aboard for a refreshing new experience. Welcome to the SeaPod. You are now off the grid. Solar-powered smart home technology is integrated throughout. 360-degree views of the sea with UV-tinted windows for privacy and energy efficiency. Recessed LED lighting is controlled through an app. The incinerator toilet converts solid waste into non-toxic ash. Waste heat from the incinerator is then used to make hot water. Water is desalinated using solar energy and recycled as needed. SeaPods are naturally isolated from high-density EMF pollution. Wi-Fi can be scheduled to turn off as you sleep. Local food is delivered and recycling is collected using drones. Now, the hidden magic of the SeaPod is below the surface. Under the water, you will find an eco-restorative 3D printed coral garden which uses a small electric current to accelerate coral growth. Every SeaPod becomes a habitat for marine life to thrive. Sleep above the sea. An extended stay restores life. This world can be your reality by choosing to float with us.